After we failed with the braces, I thought there's nothing else to do, so pretty much for 10 years I did nothing with my scoliosis, and by the time I get older I begin to see that it's my back begins to hurt, and well, I couldn't sit straight, I couldn't do certain things which made my life kind of uncomfortable a little bit. So yeah, that's when it sort of hit me that I should do something, and that's when I decided to give it a try and come here to get the scoliosis treatment with the Clear Institute and Dr. Hirsch and everyone. And yeah, it's also worth mentioning that it is not only these 2 weeks, it's not only this period of time when you get the treatment, they also provide you with a long-term, it's basically the treatment for life, because well, I'm coming back I will come back for a third time, and they giving me the exercises to do at home, so I can say that I am taking this treatment back to home to do in Russia.